This week on Helios's Comprehend Composites Insights, we're going to take a look at GameStop's earnings call. Right before we jump in though, I want to thank everybody, over 170 of you who've invested in the Republic.com Helios equity crowdfunding campaign. The insights for this week looking at GameStop are pretty unique and one we want to very much highlight. Everyone knows GameStop drove the meme stock craze, and understanding them at a deeper level from their executive team would be fantastic. Also, something that we praise at Helios is the ability to think about audio at a different level. And of course, through tone of voice, we can deliver that. We talk about duration of a call. How long does someone speak and how much information can you get from that? If I talk for an hour and you ask me a bunch of questions, that's going to be quite different than if I talk for 1 minute and I'm just reading a prepared script. What we're seeing with GameStop, and different from other weeks in the past, is this is a company that does not invest heavily in the earnings call to deliver that information out to their shareholders and prospective investors. It was a 9-minute call that really included the CEO just talking, right? Just talking a prepared script, not getting asked questions from analysts. And in the end of the day, we can't do a lot from a tone of voice when you don't have an opportunity to discuss it. We think transparency, we think information that's delivered, either through the fact that this is standardized across really the world, heavily in the US, but the fact that we want to actually understand your company and we want to potentially change our portfolios around your company would really lean into having an earnings call, having the opportunity to talk about it, and really driving longer durations for these calls. There is no reason you wouldn't want to have the discussion. It just so happens some companies aren't doing that right now and lean into other less really intelligent mechanisms where we can understand the executives and the future of the company. So GameStop is unique this week. We don't have a composite alpha score. We know the duration was low on it, 9 minutes, totally atypical from a 60-minute earnings call. And we want to really elevate the fact that earnings calls are important conduits of information. They should be out there. They help drive understanding and really help drive shareholders' value when they understand the company itself. Tune in next week as we take a look at Oracle, which should not be a 9-minute call.